Today, we're going to show you how to fit our D27 radiator cover. First thing you need to do is remove the 8 clips holding this plastic trim on.
Once the clips are removed, just lift the back of the panel up and slide it backwards.
First thing we're going to do is grab a pair of pliers and just twist these hose clamps so the tabs point sideways. Now all the clamps are twisted, it's time to undo the radiator mount. You'll need a 12mm socket. We'll undo the radiator from the mount first and then the mount from the rad support. Now the mounts are off, it's time to mount the radiator cover bracket. So you use all your original hardware, making sure the shorter ones go through the rad support.
And the longer ones go through the shroud into the radiator.
For the bolts in the radiator, make sure you use the 2 supplied nuts to bolt it to the panel.
After you finish tightening these up, you can reinstall the plastic panel. And remember, if you need parts for your Navara, head over to navarapart.com.au or check out the link in the description.